Today I'm going to make coconut egg custard pie. It's just basically same ingredients for egg custard, but you're adding 1 cup of coconut flakes. Going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Going to mix 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 3 tablespoons of butter melted. You're going to take your pie plate. You're going to butter the pie plate and then dust it with flour. Just a light dusting. And bake it for about 30 minutes until it starts to turn golden brown. This is a crustless custard pie. It's good without the crust. You're going to add 1 cup of sugar also. The ingredients will be in the description. Let it cool. Now this thing, once it's cooled off, you can serve it warm or cold. The last one we made, we ate it for like 3 days, hot or cold. Stick it in the fridge. It's really good. Just slice in the morning cold, straight out of the refrigerator. You could add, if you wanted a little lime flavor to go with the coconut, you could add some lime. I don't have any limes, so I'm going to add a little lemon juice to it. Mix it well, and just pour it into your pie plate, and then pop it in the oven. You're done when it's golden brown. There's no specific order that the ingredients go in there. I usually mix the wet ingredients first, the evaporated milk, the eggs, and vanilla. And if you're going to put in any flavoring, mix it in too. And then put in your cornstarch and flour, 1 tablespoon each. Beat them together. And then when everything's all beaten the way you want it, go ahead and add your 1 cup of coconut flakes. And those are my last 3 eggs. Make sure your butter is just melted. You don't want it hot. If you put it in there hot, you're going to cook the eggs and cook the mixture. So go ahead and just put your butter in there, warm, not solidified yet. And I'm just using a whisk to mix it with. If you got an electric mixer, you can use it, but I just use a whisk in there. Too lazy to get the mixer out and clean it up afterwards. Put our flour in there. Make sure you get the lumps out of your flour. And I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it in there good. Okay, pie plate's all ready. Putting the coconut in the mixture now. Just gonna mix it up good. Pie plate, you're just gonna butter it and then dust it with flour. And then put the mixture in there and then pop it in the oven. And you cook it until it's golden brown. About 30-35 minutes. Then turn it off and let it rest, cool off. If you want to serve it warm, serve it warm. If you want it cold, serve it cold. Let me go get the pie plate. Get your spoon or spatula, make sure you get all your mixture out in your pie plate. Smells good already, it's not even cooked yet. You smell vanilla and lemon juice mixed together and the coconut. Oops. Had a little equipment malfunction there. Let's go ahead and pop this in the oven, center rack. And we're going to let that cook, and we'll be back when it's done. There's our pie. It's done. It's still blowed up. Just turn the oven off and let it sit till it cools off. It'll shrink down to normal size. Smells good in here. Smells like coconut custard. I don't know if you can see a good how brown that is on top or not. It's a nice golden color. I'm gonna let it cool off and then eat a slice with cup of coffee. Wife will like this when she gets home from work. Thank you guys.